Welcome, here I've got LG G8s ThinQ and I'm gonna show you how to add signature to the photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down and here we have add signature option, so let's pick it. And now we can add our own watermark to the picture, so let me write here hard reset for example. As you can see we have short preview how it looks like here in the right corner. We can also change the font and pick whatever we like. And now let's add it. And let me take a photo to see how it looks like in the real picture. So let's move now here to the left to this button. When we tap on it we can get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture with the signature in the right corner at the bottom. As you can see, this is how it looks like. We can get closer to it also. And of course when we don't need it we can easily go back to the camera, then to the left corner to the settings, slide again and use this button from the right here to turn it off. Now when we take another picture, the signature should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.